Men over 40, listen closely. That constant urge to urinate at night, the slow flow, the discomfort you quietly ignore. It's not just aging, it's your prostate asking for help. I'm Dr. Vera Sterling, a board-certified urologist, and today I'm revealing something truly remarkable, the power of a single, natural food that may help reduce prostate enlargement and restore balance to your body. One simple nut, backed by science, can help protect your prostate, improve urinary comfort, and give you back the confidence and control you deserve. Let's uncover how something so small can make such a powerful difference. The hidden warning. Men keep ignoring. For many men, prostate issues begin quietly. It starts with waking up once during the night to urinate, then twice, and eventually, it becomes a pattern that disrupts sleep and energy. The flow slows, the bladder feels incomplete, and anxiety sets in. But few talk about it. As a urologist, I've seen this hesitation countless times. Men fear the word prostate because they associate it with weakness or disease. But the truth is, prostate health is a natural part of male aging, and understanding it early can change everything. The prostate is a small, walnut-sized gland that plays a vital role in male reproductive health. As men age, especially after 40, the prostate can begin to enlarge, a condition called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. Though non-cancerous, it can cause frustrating urinary symptoms, including frequency, urgency, and difficulty starting or maintaining flow. What many men don't realize is that diet, inflammation, and hormonal imbalance all play a significant role in this process. Over years of research and clinical experience, I've discovered that small dietary changes can bring enormous benefits to the prostate. Among these, one food stands out: the Brazil nut. This humble nut, often overlooked in favor of almonds or cashews, is a natural powerhouse of selenium, zinc, and healthy fats. 3. Essential nutrients that directly support prostate. Selenium is a potent antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress, one of the key factors behind prostate cell inflammation and enlargement. When oxidative stress remains unchecked, the prostate tissue becomes irritated, swollen, and more sensitive to hormonal fluctuations, particularly dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a byproduct of testosterone that triggers prostate growth. Studies have shown that men with higher selenium intake tend to have smaller prostate volumes and fewer urinary symptoms. But here's where it gets fascinating. The body doesn't need massive amounts of selenium, just the right balance. That's where the Brazil nut becomes almost miraculous. A single Brazil nut contains nearly 100% of your daily selenium requirement. Eating one nut a day can supply your prostate with the antioxidant protection it needs to reduce cellular damage and inflammation. Additionally, the Brazil nut provides zinc, a mineral crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels and preventing excessive DHT buildup. Zinc supports normal cell growth and helps regulate enzymes that influence prostate tissue function. Combined with selenium, it forms a shield against oxidative and hormonal stress, the two leading causes of enlargement. Many of my patients are stunned when I explain that such a small change, adding a single Brazil nut daily, can support better prostate function, reduce inflammation, and even improve overall vitality. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a smart, evidence-based habit that complements proper hydration, exercise, and stress management. However, while this simple nut offers incredible benefits, it's important to remember moderation. Consuming more than 2 or 3 daily can lead to excessive selenium intake, which may cause fatigue or digestive discomfort. The goal is balance, giving your body the nutrients it needs without overwhelming it. Beyond diet, lifestyle factors play a vital role. Regular physical activity helps reduce estrogen levels, which can contribute to prostate growth. Maintaining a healthy weight lowers inflammation and keeps hormone balance in check. And avoiding excessive alcohol and caffeine can reduce bladder irritation, easing the pressure on your prostate. Men often come to me after years of silent suffering, believing they have no control. But once they start nurturing their prostate through small, consistent steps, their symptoms improve, their confidence returns, and they realize they can take charge of their health naturally. In the next part, We'll explore how this one nut works synergistically with other natural foods and lifestyle practices to reduce prostate enlargement, protect against future complications, and restore lasting comfort, naturally and safely. Natural synergy. How one nut can help restore balance to the prostate. When men understand the power of simple, natural interventions, they often experience a profound shift in both body and mind. I'm Dr. Vera Sterling, a urologist specializing in men's health, and I've seen firsthand how small, consistent choices can profoundly affect prostate wellness and overall vitality. The Brazil nut, which we discussed earlier, is not just a single solution. It's part of a larger approach to nurturing your prostate, reducing inflammation, and supporting urinary and sexual health. The Brazil nut's combination of selenium and zinc is particularly potent. Selenium works as an antioxidant, reducing cellular stress that contributes to prostate enlargement. Zinc supports testosterone balance and prevents excess conversion to DHT, a hormone strongly linked to prostate growth. When consumed in moderation, typically 1 nut per day, it supplies the exact amount needed to optimize prostate function without risk of overdose. However, to maximize its benefits, it's essential to combine this with a prostate-friendly diet. Certain foods enhance the protective effects of selenium and zinc. For example, tomatoes are rich in lycopene, another powerful antioxidant that accumulates in prostate tissue and helps limit cellular damage. Pumpkin seeds provide additional zinc and healthy fats, while fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel deliver omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the prostate. Together, these foods create a natural synergy that promotes prostate health more effectively than any single supplement. Hydration is another crucial factor. Drinking adequate water ensures the bladder and urinary tract function optimally, reducing irritation and the pressure on the prostate. Men with BPH often experience frequent nighttime urination because the bladder is constantly signaling for relief. Staying hydrated during the day, but moderating intake before bedtime, can ease symptoms significantly. Exercise, both cardiovascular and resistance-based, also plays a vital role. Physical activity improves circulation, supports hormone balance, and helps maintain a healthy weight, all of which reduce the risk of prostate enlargement. Even simple daily walking, light strength training, or pelvic floor exercises like Kegels can strengthen the muscles surrounding the bladder and prostate, improving control and reducing urgency. Stress management is often overlooked, yet it's central to prostate health. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, a hormone that indirectly contributes to inflammation and hormonal imbalance. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or even short mindful breaks during the day can lower cortisol, allowing your body to focus on healing and regeneration. It's also important to avoid behaviors that exacerbate prostate issues. Excessive alcohol, caffeine, and highly processed foods can irritate the bladder and worsen symptoms. Smoking reduces blood flow and increases oxidative stress, further promoting tissue inflammation. By reducing these risk factors, men create an environment in which the prostate can thrive. The true beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity and accessibility. A single Brazil nut daily, paired with a few dietary adjustments, consistent hydration, moderate exercise, and stress reduction, can make a profound difference. Men who adopt these habits report reduced nighttime urination, stronger urinary flow, less discomfort, and even improvements in sexual performance. But beyond the physical changes, there is a psychological benefit as well. A renewed sense of control over one's body and health, which is empowering at any age. Medical studies support these strategies. Research shows that men with higher selenium intake have lower risks of prostate enlargement, while zinc supplementation improves hormonal balance and reduces cellular inflammation. Lycopene and omega-3s enhance these effects, providing a protective network of nutrients that work together naturally. While conventional treatments like medications or surgery are sometimes necessary for severe cases, these natural strategies offer a first-line, preventive approach that many men can implement immediately. Consistency is the key. Eating one Brazil nut daily may seem minor, but it's a tangible, simple step toward protecting a vital part of male health. Combined with the supportive lifestyle practices outlined here, it becomes part of a holistic approach that addresses the root causes of prostate enlargement rather than just managing symptoms. Men often ask me, can one nut really make a difference? The answer is yes, because it's not just about the nut itself. It's about creating a foundation of nutrition, circulation, hormonal balance, and lifestyle awareness. When all these factors work in concert, the prostate functions more efficiently, urinary symptoms diminish, and quality of life improves dramatically. In conclusion, taking care of the prostate doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. A single Brazil nut each day, combined with antioxidant-rich foods, healthy fats, hydration, exercise, and stress management, provides a practical, scientifically supported approach to reducing prostate enlargement. Men who embrace these strategies not only protect their prostate, but also regain energy, confidence, and peace of mind. By listening to your body, respecting its needs, and adopting these simple, natural habits, you can take control of your prostate health and enjoy a stronger, more comfortable life well into your 40s, 50s, and beyond.